The 2026 BMW M2 is here, and it's packing more power, more style, and more excitement than ever before. If you love compact performance cars with serious attitude, this one should be on your radar. From the outside, the new M2 looks bold and aggressive. It keeps its wide stance and muscular fenders, but adds new color options like Sao Paulo, yellow, and frozen pure gray. The front bumper has been refined for better aerodynamics, and the signature quad exhaust setup still reminds you, this isn't just any BMW, it's a true M car. Under the hood, the 2026 M2 features a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine. With the automatic transmission, it now delivers 473 horsepower and 442 pound-feet of torque. That's a nice boost from the previous version. If you go with the 6-speed manual, you'll still get a thrilling connected driving experience, perfect for purists who love the feel of shifting gears themselves. But the big news is the upcoming M2 CS. It's lighter, faster, and built for serious performance. BMW is giving it a power bump to around 523 horsepower. It's expected to hit 0 to 60 in just 3.7 seconds, with carbon fiber parts, sportier suspension, and special bucket seats. The M2 CS will be a track-focused beast. There's also talk of an M2 xDrive version coming later. That one would bring all-wheel drive to the lineup, making it even quicker and more capable in different driving conditions. It could end up being the fastest M2 ever made. Step inside, and the M2 blends performance with tech. You get a digital instrument cluster and a large curved touchscreen running BMW's latest eDrive 8.5 system. Alcantara details, M badges, and available carbon fiber trim make the interior feel sporty and premium at the same time. As for price, the 2026 BMW M2 starts at around $65,000. The limited edition CS will be more expensive, possibly near $100,000, and the xDrive version could fall somewhere in between. So, whether you want a rear-wheel drive coupe with a manual, a track weapon like the CS, or an all-weather powerhouse with xDrive, the 2026 M2 lineup gives you serious options. If you're excited for the new M2, hit that like button and let me know your favorite trim in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more first looks, reviews, and car content delivered straight to you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.